not chapstick. Wait, read the label.
Sexy mother pucker.
Jess, your lips hurt.
Yeah, my lips hurt.
Let's get loud.
I need some chapstick. Jess, what is...
No, because I'm getting one of those.
Holy... Oh my
I
God.
know! Can you believe that? Where's the chapstick? Where's the chapstick? Where's the chapstick?
Dude, that car ride, I want to go on it again.
Where's the chapstick?
I like that one.
I like one too, but like you mix and match.
I know.
Wait! I found chapstick. Okay, found the chapstick.
Your mom.
We need a life.